Hi, Holly Mecker here with Instructional Tech. I'm excited to share with you a quick video today on how to filter your grades in Canvas with using the new filtering presets. Now, I regularly use filters to keep track of missing work, to look back on maybe a certain exam score, or maybe just to see one particular section. Now with the presets, I can save myself a little extra time, a few less clicks, and make my life a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and take a look. Here I am logged into my Canvas account. Right now, I am showing all of my students and scores from all of my Algebra 2 classes. If I wanted to look at just one section, I could apply filters, go into my sections, and choose one section. Now, that took a few clicks to get there. So what I'm going to do instead is I am going to create my own filter that instantly with one click lets me see just my section 6. Let's go ahead and make that together. I'm going to go ahead and push Apply Filters and then push Create and Manage Filter Presets. I'm going to go ahead and create one. I'll give it a name. I have my section 6 and I can choose which section that is and save filter presets. Now when I click into Apply Filters, I just have to push section 6 and all of those grades have automatically come up. Now that is only choosing one filtering option. I also could make a filter that has multiple different selections. Let's go ahead and make one of those together as well. So maybe my section 6 also happens to have a lot of students with missing work. So I'm going to go ahead and give myself section 6, missing work. With this filter, I'm going to go ahead and pick the section. I'm still on section 6. And then under submissions, I'm going to look for missing and save that filter preset. So now when I go into my filters, I can select section 6, missing work. This is going to give me every student in my 6th period that has missing work in the gradebook. I'm saving myself a few extra clicks and makes it so easy to filter my gradebook. Well, I hope you found that helpful. Be sure to drop any questions into the comments below, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.